How to recover your Shopee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your Shopee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your web browser. After you open it up, simply search for shopee.com. And after you're there, you can choose your country or region. I'll just choose Malaysia and select a language. After you do that, now you'll need to type in your email address and your password. Now, since you have forgotten your email address or the phone number or the password, you will need to recover it. To do that, tap on Forgot option right here. And after you tap on Forgot, you'll just need to type in your email or your phone number where you will get your verification code. And after you type that verification code in, you are basically good to go. You have recovered your Shopee account. And that is basically it, guys. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.